Now today's topic is method of preparation of halogens. Before that, already we discussed Wurtz-Fitting reaction, Wurtz reactions, organometallic compounds, Grignard reagent. Everything we have done. Now method of preparation of halogens. So first is by direct halogenation. Okay. So before that we start method of preparations of halogens. We'll just recall one part. Haloalkanes are easily prepared by alcohols, but halogens do not prepared by alcohols, means phenols, because phenol has a resonance structure, several structures of resonance, and due to the presence of double bond between carbon and oxygen and resonance structures, they are difficult to break the bond. That's why we are not using this method for the preparation of halogens. We are using another methods, means several methods we are using. इनमें से फर्स्ट आपके पास है वो है आपके पास बाय डायरेक्ट हेलोजिनेशंस. बाय डायरेक्ट हेलोजिनेशंस में भी आपके पास टू है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन इन द न्यूक्लियस, डायरेक्टली अटैक न्यूक्लियस, और जो सेकंड होगा वो होगा आपके पास साइड चेन में, एडिशन इन साइड चेन, सब्स्टिट्यूशन इन द साइड चेन. सो फर्स्ट विल सी सब्स्टिट्यूशन इन द न्यूक्लियस. This reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so in this reaction, direct halogenations or chlorination and brominations takes place in the dark, cold, and in the presence of halogen carriers or Lewis acid like FeCl3, FeBr3, or AlCl3, etc. The reaction proceeds the formation of carbocation. Like this is benzene, chlorination of benzene in the presence of halogen carrier FeCl3, dark. So here what we get? We'll get this one, chlorobenzene. This is the first method, direct halogenation. So this reaction takes place with the halogen carrier and in the cold and dark. So this is known as method of preparation of halogens, and this is chlorobenzene. If excess of chlorine will pass in this compound, you will get halogen derivatives, ortho and para derivatives. Excess of chlorine will pass. Excess of chlorine will pass. Here is Cl. Excess of chlorine will pass. Here is Cl plus Cl2, FeCl3. You will get the ortho and para substitute of alkene. Halogens. Ortho plus para. This ortho and para. This the one is major, another one is minor. Same it is fluorination. Brominations. When C6H6 bromine, FeBr3, dark. So you get C6H5Br plus HBr. Similarly, when we pass excess of bromine in this compound, we will get ortho and para derivatives of bromobenzene. वहां पर हमारे पास जो पेरा बेंजीन रहेगा, पेरा क्लोरोबेंजीन और पेरा ब्रोमोबेंजीन, वो ज्यादा सिमेट्रिकल रहेगा एज कंपेयर टू ऑर्थो. And this is the bromination. Same it is iodonations. Iodination is reversible reaction. This is the reversible reaction. So for this reaction we will use the strong oxidizing agent like HNO3, HiO3, different oxidizing agent we are using to stop the formation of or liberating the iodine. That's why we are using. But direct fluorination is not possible because direct fluorinations of fluorine on benzene ring is very violent and it can be difficult to control. That's why direct fluorination will not done. This is known as substitution in the nucleus elimination or electrophilic substitution reaction. Now we'll see the second one. Now substitution in the side chain. halogenations takes place in the high temperatures and absence of halogen carriers even in dark. These react to give the halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives appear in the side chain. So one hydrogen atom of side chain can be replaced by halogen atoms. Alkyl halides are obtained. Alkyl halides are obtained. Okay, now we'll see. This is the benzene side chain CH3. This is toluene. This is toluene. When chlorination takes place at 383 Kelvin in the presence of sunlight. So halogen takes place in the presence of sunlight, high temperature and absence of halogen carriers. So one hydrogen atom of side chains can be replaced by halogen atoms. That's why this reaction is sufficient in the side chain and alkyl halide is obtained. Now one hydrogen from this group is replaced. Here we get CH2 Cl. Then again chlorination, sunlight. Then here we get 383 Kelvin. 383. So here we get this compound. Means one hydrogen from here again replace CH Cl2. One hydrogen replaced by chlorine means HCl will remove. from यहाँ से HCl remove हो जाएगा. Then again chlorination. Light 383 Kelvin. So what will get? Here we get CCl3. This will obtain. Means all the hydrogen means replacing of hydrogen by halogen atoms or alkyl halides are formed. This is the toluene. This is known as benzyl chloride. This is known as benzyl chloride. And this is known as benzo trichloride. This is known as, first one is benzyl chloride, second one is benzyl chloride, third one is benzo trichloride. This is the common name, IUPAC name. Now we'll see one by one and discuss. This name is phenyl chloromethane. It's phenyl chloromethane, one carbon. Its name is phenyl dichloromethane. And its name is phenyl trichloromethane. So this is the IUPAC name, side chain substitution. This is the first method of preparations by direct halogenations. First हम लोग देखा substitution in the nucleus. तो जो कि आपने देखा था different types of alkyl halide treated with chlorine, bromine, iodine or benzene. So here is substitution in the side chain. Toluene combine react with chlorine, bromine. So side chain, one hydrogen replaced by halogen atoms. So this is the another method of preparation of aryl halides. Okay. Sulfuryl chloride also used instead of chlorine. Sulfuryl chloride. Chloride SO2Cl2. Sulfuryl chloride also used. So in the side chain substitution reaction of aromatic hydrocarbon. 173 Kelvin light C6H5Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. This is the another method of operations. And जो साइड चेन सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस हैं, sometimes जो मैकेनिज्म है it will explain with the help of free radicals mechanism. We'll discuss later free radical mechanism. This is the another one. Now we'll see the third one from diazonium salt. Next is from diazonium salt. Next one is from diazonium salt. Sedlmayer reaction. This is the important name reaction. This is the important name reaction. Diazonium salt is formed. Diazonium salt is formed. So diazonium salt is treated with CuCl, HCl or CuBr, HBr to prepare halogens. Diazonium salt is treated with CuCl or HCl or CuBr, cupro-bromide, HBr to prepare halogens. Diazonium salt is unstable compound. Diazonium salt is unstable compound. This is unstable compound. Diazonium salt is unstable compound. They prepared in the solution. They prepared in the solution as and when required. As and when required. For digestion. Primary amines. For digestion, primary aromatic. For diagitation, primary aromatic compounds are treated with. For digestion, primary aromatic compounds are treated with HNO2, nitrous acid. HNO2 means NaNO2 oblique HCl, NaCl oblique HCl. So NaCl remove हो जाएगा, then you will get this one. So primary aromatic